currently, which of the following, and you can select multiple, would you approve if these came through your desk to review? So there's a transaction that's clearly over 90 days for the first one. It's going between two government projects, and the justification says to reflect actual effort. There's another cost transfer over 90 days between government projects to charge a project that was set up late. Another over 90 days from an unrestricted project onto a government to charge Jane's salary to a project that was set up late. We just received the notice on the February 25th, which is just a few days ago. It was set up in PeopleSoft on the 28th, and the PI approved it. And the last one, again, over 90 days, from an unrestricted to a government, to transfer the cost of publications for a conference on August 1st to the appropriate project. So I can tell you for Columbia, the only one that we would approve would be C. There's a couple other ones in there that, well, maybe they conform to your policy. If you look at the justifications, you may want to beef them up a bit. So the project was set up late. You want to put more information in there, like when was it set up? Why was it set up late? Was it due to the sponsor? Was it due to you? Was it due to internal? To reflect actual effort. That might be appropriate, but why wasn't it charged the right time? Why didn't we review it quarterly? Why was it just caught now? So some of them, maybe if you dig a little further, they might be more appropriate underneath, and maybe the supporting documentation that is behind these transactions details this, but you want to make sure that, you know, from the get-go, there's no questions about these transactions, and the justifications is the first line of defense and the first thing we're giving to the auditors, so we want to minimize the number of questions that are coming through.
And we wouldn't approve anyone other than C without additional information. Most of ours, we would, for the last one, for D, we would likely not approve. A and B, we would require a lot of extra documentation be provided to us before it was approved, and it would be a case-by-case basis on what else they could provide us that would determine whether or not it would be approved in the end.